Welcome to Module 4, Inventory Management, from SAP S/4HANA Cloud, Supply Chain, CS4CSC by KRTI Edu. In this module, we'll explore how SAP S/4HANA Cloud manages the movement of materials through every stage of your business, from receiving goods to transferring and analyzing inventory. You'll gain not just functional knowledge, but real transaction-level proficiency. Inventory management, or IM, is the operational heartbeat of your supply chain. It captures every physical movement of material, whether it's incoming from a supplier, consumed in production, or shipped to a customer. In S/4HANA Cloud, IM is fully integrated across modules, providing real-time visibility and control. You'll learn both configuration and execution of every key process. By the end of this module, you'll be able to understand and execute key inventory processes, configure stock types and movement types, manage goods receipts and transfers, and interpret analytical stock dashboards. You'll also learn to integrate warehouse operations, create ATP-based reservations, and configure CBC activities that underpin inventory control. Role of inventory management in S/4HANA Cloud. Inventory management in S/4HANA Cloud acts as the bridge between procurement, production, and logistics. It ensures that physical stock quantities are in sync with financial valuation and availability planning. The system instantly updates stock levels, financial ledgers, and analytics whenever material moves, all accessible through intuitive Fiori apps. Business scenario overview. Think of a manufacturing business that receives raw materials, produces goods, and ships finished products to customers. Each activity triggers an inventory movement: a goods receipt, a goods issue, a transfer, or a return. Through this module, you'll recreate these end-to-end scenarios using real SAP Cloud configurations and postings. Goods receipt, entry point of stock. We'll begin with goods receipts, which mark the entry of materials into the system. You'll learn to post GRs from purchase orders, production orders, and customer returns using Fiori apps. We'll explore document types, movement types like 101 or 122, stock impact, and the resulting financial entries. Hands-on exercises will help you master each posting step. Stock types and transfer postings. Next, we'll explore stock categories such as unrestricted, quality inspection, blocked, and in-transit stock. You'll understand when to use each type and how to move material between them. We'll configure and test transfer postings for both intra-plant and interplant scenarios, ensuring that valuation and financial postings stay accurate. Each concept is reinforced through guided labs. Reservations and ATP logic. You'll learn how to create and manage reservations, both manually and automatically. We'll dive into the logic of availability check, or ATP, and its advanced version, AATP, to ensure material commitments are realistic. You'll practice verifying availability and performing backorder processing directly through Fiori. Warehouse integration with EWM Lite. We'll also integrate inventory management with warehouse management through EWM Lite. This embedded functionality allows you to control stock inside the warehouse, staging, put away, picking, and movement confirmation. You'll perform these steps in Fiori using inbound and outbound tasks, seeing how each warehouse transaction ties back to inventory and finance. Stock types and transfer postings. Next, we'll explore stock categories such as unrestricted, quality inspection, blocked, and in-transit stock. You'll understand when to use each type and how to move material between them. We'll configure and test transfer postings for both intra-plant and interplant scenarios, ensuring that valuation and financial postings stay accurate. Each concept is reinforced through guided labs. Configuration focus, CBC and Fiori paths. You'll configure inventory processes using CBC and Fiori. This includes setting up movement types, account determination, and stock management parameters under materials management, inventory management. We'll also cross-reference SPRO paths for private or hybrid implementations, ensuring you understand both cloud and on-prem equivalents. Integration overview. Inventory management touches nearly every functional area in SAP. Procurement triggers GRs, production issues materials, finance updates accounts, and EWM synchronizes stock locations. Even transport management and analytics connect to IM for end-to-end traceability. Every lesson in this module will illustrate these integrations clearly. Key transaction codes and Fiori apps. Although Fiori is the main interface, understanding equivalent T codes helps you relate to legacy systems. You'll learn to map apps like Post Goods Receipt for PO to MyGo, Transfer Stock to MB1B, and Display Material Documents to MB03. This approach builds strong cross-environment fluency, which is essential for consultants and exam success. Reporting and monitoring tools. We'll look at Fiori analytical tools, replacing traditional SAP reports. You'll practice using stock multiple materials, batch information cockpit, and material documents overview. Each lab will emphasize how these tools can drive decision-making, audit traceability, and performance measurement. Business case example. To connect all concepts, we'll follow a continuous business case. Raw materials will be received through GR, consumed in production, transferred between plants, and shipped as finished goods. Each step will illustrate the interaction between stock management, valuation, and accounting integration in real time. Module structure overview. This module is structured across 5 lessons: goods receipt, execution and configuration, stock types and transfers, movement and valuation control, reservations and ATP, availability and commitment logic, warehouse integration, EWM light staging and picking, reporting, stock analysis and KPI dashboards. Every lesson includes a mini-lab for practical mastery. Exam and real-world relevance. Inventory management forms one of the largest segments in the CS4CSC certification. Mastering it builds both academic readiness and professional confidence. In real-world projects, IM consultants manage configuration, troubleshooting, and integration with finance and logistics, making this one of the most employable skill areas. Tools and references. Throughout this module, we'll work on the SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition tenant, the Fiori Launchpad, and Central Business Configuration. Each lab uses guided datasets from the KRTI EduLab Workbook version 4.0. Every exercise and configuration you perform aligns directly with live industry implementations. You've just previewed the full scope of inventory management in S4HANA Cloud. This module will take you from basic stock posting to advanced analytics, ensuring deep practical understanding. Let's move forward to Lesson 4.1, Goods Receipt Processes, where we'll explore how incoming goods are recorded, valued, and integrated with procurement and finance. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.